In this video, we are going to continue the exercise 4.1. So the third example is find the joint equation of pair of lines passing through the origin and perpendicular to the lines represented by homogeneous equation. In this example, the lines are given in homogeneous form. They are not in separate equations. So, first we compare the given equation with homogeneous equation of degree 2. So, let comparing the given equation 5x square minus 8xy plus 3y square is equal to 0 with homogeneous equation of degree 2, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Then we get a is equal to 5. Comparing these two equation, a is equal to 5, 2h is equal to minus 8, b is equal to 3. Now, here we consider the slopes of lines which are represented the homogeneous equation of degree 2. So, let m1 and m2 be the slopes of lines represented by the given homogeneous equation 5x square minus 8xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. Then we know that the sum of the slopes of lines is m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h upon b. So here substitute the value of minus 2h upon b, we get minus 2h is equal to minus 8. So minus 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 into 2h is minus 8 upon b is 3 minus minus plus 8 by 3. And the product of slopes m1 into m2 is equal to a upon b. Here a is 5 and b is 3. In this way we get the sum of the slopes and product of the slopes of given homogeneous equation of degree 2. Now the required lines are perpendicular to these lines. So the slopes of required lines are perpendicular to these lines. Therefore, slopes of required lines are minus 1 upon m1 and minus 1 upon m2 are passing through the origin. Then their separate equations are using the form of the line y is equal to mx. Here we use the equation of line y is equal to mx. Then we get the separate equations of these two lines using these slopes. So the first equation of the first line y is equal to minus 1 upon m1 into x, and the second equation is y is equal to minus 1 upon m2 into x. First write the equation form of this lines is y m1 into y plus x is equal to 0, and the second equation is m2 into y plus x is equal to 0. These are separate equations of the required line. So the combined equation of these two lines are combined equation of required line is the product of these two lines. So the product of given equations m1 into y plus x into m2 into y plus x is equal to 0. Now simplifying these two brackets, we get m1 m2 y square plus m1 xy plus m2 xy plus x square is equal to 0. By solving these two brackets, we get m1 m2 y square plus m1 xy plus m2 xy plus x square. Now taking the xy common, then we get m1 m2 y square plus m1 plus m2 into xy. Xy as a common from these two terms, plus x square is equal to 0. So we get the product of slopes and sum of the slopes. Substitute the value of m1 into m2 5 by 3 y square plus m1 plus m2 is 8 by 3 xy plus x square is equal to 0. So by simplifying this equation, we get 5y square plus 8xy plus 3x square is equal to 0. And this is the combined equation of required lines. Using the homogeneous equation, we get the product of slopes and sum of the slopes. And using these two values, we get the combined equation of required lines, which are perpendicular to the lines which are represented by homogeneous equation. Now the next example is find the combined equation of pair of lines passing through the origin and perpendicular to the lines represented by the equation 3x square minus 4xy is equal to 0. Similarly, we compare this equation with homogeneous equation of degree 2. So comparing the given equation 3x square minus 4xy is equal to 0 with homogeneous equation of degree 2 ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. We get the values of a is equal to 3, 2h is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to, there is no term in y square, so value of b is equal to 0. Now in this case b is equal to 0, then we cannot find the value of m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h upon b. Here b is 0 and minus 2h is 4. 4 upon 0 not defined. 4 upon 0, the value of m1 plus m2 can't define. So here we cannot use the sum of the slopes and product of the slopes. So we use the case number 1. If b is equal to 0, then we factorize the given equation. So by using factorization method, we can factorize the given equation. The given equation is 3x square minus 4xy is equal to 0. Taking x as a common from these two terms, then we get x into 3x minus 4y is equal to 0. So the first equation is x is equal to 0 and second equation is 3x minus 4y is equal to 0. By factorization we get the separate equations of lines. X is equal to 0 means this is the equation of y-axis and 3x minus 4y is equal to 0 is the equation of second line. So if x is equal to 0, then this equation represents the y-axis and the line, and 3x minus 4y is equal to 0. Then the slope of line m is equal to minus a upon b formula minus 3 upon minus 4 is equal to 3 by 4. First line is x is equal to 0, that is the equation of y-axis, and second line is 3x minus 4y is equal to 0 and slope of this line is 3 by 4. The first line is y-axis and the required line perpendicular to these lines, the required lines perpendicular to these lines, that is x is equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y is equal to 0. Equation of perpendicular line to y-axis, x is equal to 0 means y-axis is y is equal to 0. The perpendicular line to y-axis is x-axis and equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. And the second line, slope of the second line is 3 by 4 and the perpendicular line, slope of perpendicular line is slope of perpendicular line to 3x minus 4y is equal to 0 is minus 4 by 3, negative reciprocal of this line. So slope of perpendicular line to this line is minus 4 by 3. Now here we have to find the combined equation of required lines. So first find the equation of first line y is equal to 0 and the equation of second line is y is equal to minus 4 by 3 into x using y is equal to mx form. Then we get 3y is equal to minus 4x, that is 3y plus 4x is equal to 0 is the equation of second line. This is the equation of line which is perpendicular to this line. Now from equation, this is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2 which are required lines. Now the combined equation of these two lines is combined equation required lines is y into u into v form, y into the product of these two equations, y into 3y plus 4x is equal to 0, multiplying by 3y square plus 4xy is equal to 0, that is 4xy plus 3y square is equal to 0 is the combined equation of required lines.